Your dog start to coughing. Yes, very serious symptom, and your dog need professional help. The coughing can be most common from two reasons. First, many times is a respiratory or upper respiratory tract infection, and need some attention, professional attention and the treatment. But also can be problem which comes from the heart side, cardio coughing. However, the most important is to bring dog to us that we can make differential diagnostic and a change perspective of the coughing and give properly treatment for your dog or the cat. All right. If your dog coughing, don't waste the time. Bring me immediately. If your dog coughing, please take attention and you can see some pattern of the coughing. When your dog or cat coughing, how they coughing. It's a dry or wet coughing. Are they coughing when they are excited or they coughing randomly? Are they coughing only during the night? Are they coughing only when they drink water? It's very important to understand. Is the coughing associated with another stuff like fatigue or lethargy, lack of appetite? It's very important. If your dog coughing, don't waste time. Please bring to me and I will give him professional help. All right. Cheers.